Cash transfer programs seem to be everywhere. By one recent count, 130 lower middle income countries had an unconditional cash transfer program, and 63 had a conditional cash transfer program. The evidence is pretty clear that these transfers improve health and education investments as well as a number of other productive outcomes. But how do they affect the relationship between beneficiaries and their government? On the one hand, these transfers signal to the most vulnerable members of the community that their government hasn't forgotten about them. On the other hand, resentment toward conditions or problems in the delivery of the transfers could reduce trust in government. My name is David Evans, and in a new paper that I wrote together with Brian Holtemeyer and Katrina Kosec, we show that a conditional cash transfer program in Tanzania actually led to greater trust in local elected government officials. Beneficiaries report that their government takes their concerns into account more. One of the key findings is that these results are strongest in communities where, before the program ever began, elected leaders held community meetings with greater frequency. A big part of what happens at these meetings is the sharing of information, how local government contributions have been used and what development activities are happening in the community. In these communities, where residents have greater access to information about what their local government is doing and more chance to voice concerns, participating in a safety net program, in this case the conditional cash transfer program, leads to greater trust in the leaders of that local government. Check out the paper